Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how to use Zara Join Life. Now, using a Zara's Join Life collection involves identifying garments made from more sustainable materials such as organic cotton, recycled polyesters, or woolen-based fibers, labeled with a special tag available both in stores and online as well. So first thing first, what you want to do is look for Join Life label on cloth tags, which signifies that the items in product using more sustainable raw materials and process, such as reduced water consumption as well. Next, you want to shop sustainable material. You want to seek out products made from eco-friendly material like organic cottons, tencels, low cells, and recycled polyester as well. Now, these items are clearly marked in store and through a dedicated Join Life section in a Zara website as well. And that is how you're supposed to use Zara Join Life. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.